I'll be the only one. Holy grail, and I know if our time was up tomorrow, I'd pull you near me. The world stops spinning when you open your eyes, my darling. What a beautiful soul you deserve. Stop spinning when you open your eyes, my darling. What a beautiful soul, you deserve your own mind. So trust me, I give you that heartbeat, moving fast. The only way I know is the only way you're headed. Come near me, don't fear me. That's why I'm running, just looking.
Here's all my money, like, I mean, it doesn't look a lot, but like, I have a drink, that's Coke, it's not alcohol. It's not alcohol, don't judge me. I just drink Coca-Cola. I got my Jaclyn Hill palette, like, oh my god, I'm wearing it right now. Like, I look banging as fuck. Like, my boyfriend said I'm really full of myself, and like, what else am I supposed to be full of? Like, this fucking wall over here, like, that's boring. Like, I'm pretty fucking fun, so I'll just be full of myself instead of full of this fucking boring-ass wall that won't talk back to me. I got all my friends talking to me, like, I can't even keep up with anything they're saying. Like, there's so many people in here, like, what am I supposed to do with myself? Like, I sound like a dumb bitch, so I should probably change that first and foremost. Drunk off love, like, I'm drunk off money, actually. Like, I'm just so drunk off your money, like, just give it to me. Ugh. Like, what the hell? This snowstorm got everybody, like, MIA, apparently. Like, whoopsies. Who cares? I don't know why I'm whispering, because, like, if I post this, everybody's gonna know that that's filled with tobacco, so it's not like I'm doing anything illegal around here. Fucking living my life legally, you know, just super legally, living my life legally, really legally. In my life, I'm living it legally. I'm so fucking bored. Like, there's literally 2 customers in here, and one of them isn't trying to spend money, and the other one is busy with another dancer, the other only dancer that's here, and like, which is super dope, because I just spent an hour with someone, so, you know, like, gotta be fair, play a game, you know, fair ball. At least she's getting a room too, like, fuck it up. But bitch, only 2 girls here, like, hey, what's up, hello, welcome back to my stripper show. Yeah, and I gotta, like, plan out my trip this weekend, because I'm going to Chicago, and I'm gonna meet fucking Tana Mojo, like, you're all jealous, like, you're all jealous, like, you're jealous.
I looked in that shit in the truck.
Oh, I just rolled up a J.
Oh, you got papers, that's fancy.
Yes, I got papers. Papers for days. Wait, I need to light it though.
I know.
I need to light it. Hello.
2 girls, that's crazy. Well, I guess someone's fucking going out there anyways.
Yeah, there's other girls scheduled, but they probably called it.
Yeah, they're like, fuck it.
Because of the snow. Whatever, more money for me, even if there isn't any money.
But there might be.
There might be. Whatever, I fucking got an hour, so.
An hour?
Yeah, I'm not concerned. Oh, I think that's Tabitha's.
I know. Weird.
Why did she leave that? I haven't seen her in a minute.
She's got like yelling at me. Tabitha.
You want to hit this, or are you good?
Yeah, I would.
Like, fuck it. Why not?
Well, I'm gonna have to.
So.
The drink thing's so weird.
I know. It's just like, it's like they're leaning. I just like, I don't see, I feel like it is a thing because the city just is anal about literally everything.
Oh,
and then
it's a city
some
thing.
Yeah, because I think some chick ruined it for everybody.
And plus, it's funny to me, like, you could come here at 18 and work and all that, but you can't just walk in.
Yeah.
It's weird.
Yeah, I know. It's super weird. Because it's just like, then too, if like an 18-year-old gets a champagne room, then like, who's to say, like, they don't, you know what I mean? Like, they could sneak a drink, or you know what I mean?
Yeah, they could sneak a drink down here. Yeah, whatever.
Right.
They could shoot heroin down here. I mean, they could do.
Apparently someone stole them.
No, Shane fucking grabbed them all and put them in the office.
Oh. Stole them.
Nobody wants your stupid pitches, Nikki.
Well, I mean, it's just like, yeah, she's back here too, working.
Yeah.
She like wasn't here for like a week and a half because she was staying with one of my friends to get clean. And she was clean for like 5 or so days.
Oh, like, what the fuck? Thanks. What the fuck, you know? Like, she runs around pretending she's a manager or something.
Right.
It's useless.
Or like she pretends that she's the waitress.
Yeah.
When she's not. I don't know, it's weird.
Shit.
Well, yeah, I mean, it's just like, are you serious? Like, my fucking stepmom literally had pancreatic cancer.
Oh, really?
Like, she was, like, on her deathbed, basically. Like, she couldn't do anything. And then you're gonna sit here, fucking drink alcohol every day, snort fucking drugs, and do, like, hydros, and then act like you have pancreatic cancer. Like, you would have been dead by now. Like, you would have been dead by now if you had pancreatic cancer because you're, like, treating your body like shit already. So it's like, I don't know, it's just, like, insulting. And, like, my fucking stepmom went through fucking hell. And then for you to fucking just, like, say that you have it just to get pity out of people or to manipulate people is, like...
That's the weird part.
Like, no, like, that's, like, you gotta get put on your place. Like, whether, like, I still love her and still have a place in my heart, but you gotta, like, give people tough love. Like... And just be like, dude, you can't fucking say that shit.
I don't even...
Yeah, that's some other shit. Just an update in this snowstorm. So there's like 5 fucking guys that came in that were like super dressed up and everything, and they were like looking to see that it was really empty, and I was like, hey, like, stay, like, please, like, stay, like, there's literally no one in here, like, there's 6 of you, and it's me and this hot ass other chick, like, let's fucking party, dude, in this snowstorm. And they're like, and I was like, oh, what's the problem? And they're like, oh, we have to pay. He was like, I'm only coming in if I don't have to pay the cover charge. I'm like, so y'all can't even pay the cover charge? Like, maybe, like, y'all don't even matter. Like, I don't even need you guys. Like, you don't even have any money to spend on us. Like, what are you doing here, wasting your lift coming here if you can't even spend any money? And then one of the guys pulls out and is like, he's like, oh, wait, there's a guy that's like trying to spend money out here. And I'm like, well, he ain't in here. Where is he? Like, he's not coming. Like, they all just walk out. So it's just no one here. And So what am I gonna do? I'm going to the gas station and I'm fucking getting some food because guess what? This bitch is drunk and she's hungry. Just kidding, I'm not drunk. I'm just really hungry. I haven't eaten all day. I had a fucking piece of toast with egg on it. That sounds really fucking appetizing. Like, I sound like a dumb bitch. But oh my god, is there customers up there? It's like, is there customers up there? Like, I hear customers. I feel like maybe I'm wrong. But I'm going to the gas station because I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. Any newcomers? Is there any newcomers? Oh, I was like, I hear someone talking louder. Is that more people?
It was me because of the song "Welcome to the Jungle." My 6-year-old loves this song. He knows every word to every song in this album of Guns N' Roses. And
Yeah.
he knows it all. So
Oh,
like,
shit.
he'll sing it. So yeah, it's like acting like my son.
Yeah.
And
Fuck yeah.
the door guy, the staff guy, or whatever by the door, was like, put up his hand right at the same time that my son's part came in. Yeah. It's like, what? I was like, yeah, Renz, he knows every word of this. He goes, what? He knows every word to every part of this album.
That's crazy. No, I'm just going to Quick Trip.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
I'm bitch hungry. I'm starving. No winter boots. So bad. Like, I've been putting it off because it's been like spring. Ugh. Yeah, you can just join me in here.
No, it was like, so, why even lock it up every time? I
Yeah.
thought someone was coming, like Goddess was supposed to come, right? Did you know that, like, she was last put on the list? I mean, Goddess, I don't know. Do you know Goddess?
I don't know. There's been multiple goddesses.
Because I don't know Goddess either, but and I was like, oh,
Maybe
just lock it up and
it's
get
old
she knows.
goddess, but yeah, that dude was like,
Like,
it
it's
smells like
right
weed in here. I'm like,
yeah, it's like, shit.
what the fuck, bro? Like putting us on blast like that. There's no one in here. Like, our boss can hear us.
Like, I'll take the blow.
Fuck.
But yeah, it was
Fuck those guys. Literally, what the hell?
So yeah, I thought you were a different one. A different girl. And I was like, God damn, you kept a perfect body. Like, you got to be like 30.
You got new teeth, bitch. You got new
Perfect. Well, no, that Madison was the one that like got it.
Oh,
it was her
okay.
friend that.
Oh.
Like, you know that I thought you were her friend.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I didn't think you were Madison.
Oh, okay.
That you were her friend.
Oh, okay.
He's like, no, her friend had the blonde hair that had your name.
Oh, okay.
So,
That sounds
I
wild.
apologize. Yeah.
No, it's all good.
No, it wasn't the girl that got her. I knew that wasn't you because I already didn't know to cope with her and stuff and her man. Whatever. Go run your errands and.
Yeah. It's literally, it's like not even that bad now. Like, you fucking pussies. Like, what the fuck? Are you serious? I guess, like, I haven't driven because I don't have a car anymore, so I don't really, like, know how bad the roads are, but, like, I'm just, like, assuming by, like, what it looks like. It's, like, not terrible. Like, it's not even that bad. The fuck? I'm literally going to Quick Trip before it closes because, I don't know. I'm fucking hungry. I'm so hungry. I could eat anything right now. I don't care. But yeah, it's supposed to snow until like tomorrow morning. Hopefully it's busier tomorrow. Get some eggs. Cook them in the fridge. Or cook them in the fridge. Wow, fucking dumbass. I'm so hungry. What is it? frisky as hell. It's like really soft too. I'm doing it like good, like I don't know. Like way more difficult than it had to be. I'm so disgusting. I'm eating all this nasty ass food. I could Carlasso. Alright, well, I should just eat that. I think that's good. Looks like too much in here.
Hey.
Okay.
210.
I got 10 cents in here for sure. Right there. Thank you. Oh, damn it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Trying not to drop my phone. I broke my fucking phone on my birthday. Like, goals. Like, that's literally all I've ever wanted to do on my birthday is break it. Order a phone case on my birthday and then break it. And then my case ends up getting sent back to Amazon because it gets damaged. Probably because it snowed. Like, Christ. Like, dude, the other dancer just gave me some weed. Like, how fucking dope is that? Like, you're fucking sick. Like, why aren't we friends? Like, you're so cool. I haven't gotten a chance to just talk to you till the night. And no one showed up. I thank God, like, she gave me some pot. Like, I'm running low. I'm running low. Like, I'm so fucking thankful. Like, I'm not even playing you. Like, but I'm that paranoid that, like, I'm not gonna show you guys because I don't want to incriminate myself. But, like, I'm literally telling the truth. I'm telling it so hard, like, I'm not lying. Comment below if you think I'm lying. Subscribe. Figure it out. It's a mystery. Oh yeah, Fancy, like, I fucking love you. But literally, like, I need Jeffree Star's, like, lip scrub to make it through this because, like, this should be, like, cracking. Like, I love you though. What am I doing? This is gonna be upside down too. I bet you money, right? I don't know. I'm not a professional at this, but like I tried. Like, bye. I finally bought a beauty blender. Like, after how long of using makeup, it looks really gross right now too. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, but I do know that I need to go upstairs and like not look like a paranoid ass bitch. I got no chin squad, what up? Long necker like. Just here in the neck of the woods. Okay, like, bye. Like, I'll see you later. Like, maybe I'll survive this winter storm. Like, maybe I won't. Honestly, I don't know. I don't. Like, I'm pretty sure those 6 guys that came in, all dressed up, definitely fucking crashed while they were on their way to a strip club that's 30 minutes away from here. So lost your life and lost your wife, honey boo boo. Child. Bachelor party gone wrong. I'll let you know if I have any more jokes. I'm going crazy. Like, I'm going so crazy you can see all of my gray hairs. Look at, like, people, I swear to God, people be motherfucking playing off like I don't have gray hair when I have, like, a shit ton of gray hair. Like, look at how many strands there are. There's at least 10 in there. Like, I'm not even gonna count. There's so many. Like, do not play with me. Like, I have a lot of gray hair. Like, are you, like, I'm definitely gonna be having white hair when I'm 30 years old. And, like, if you didn't see that and, like, you don't believe me, like, I guess you just don't believe me and you're just gonna be a hater. But I like my gray hair, so, like, but there's a lot of it, you know? I'm not just playing it off, like, for attention or anything. Like, I really have a bunch of gray hair. Like, I don't know why anybody would want that attention that they have gray hair. Like, no one would want that. They would cover these right away, but, like, it's a new thing. No one's doing it. I want to take my selfie, just a straight bar in the middle. Like, I look discombobulated with this fucking pull right here. I don't know whatever the fuck that means, but I'm bitching. I'm bitching hard. Bitching hard or hardly fucking bitching. But this lighting be like, oh, fire, look at my eyes. Like, I am fucking, whoa. We closed early. Closing early. Bumping hard or hardly bumping. Good eyes. Vision's closed early, so.
Do you need to sing?
No, I'm good.